Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, this version 8GB memory and 128GB Intel memory, storage, open box. In complementation we have only Type-C cable to Type-C and device in the purple color. Okay, that's all complementation. Triple camera on the back side, on the front side display. 6.4 inch Full HD Plus resolution, 120 Hz. Turn on device. On this side power button and warm buttons, downside Type-C port, slot for 2 nano SIM card only, and this without controls. We have One UI 6 and Android 14. Okay, open Geekbench 6. We have very good results, powerful. CPU Samsung Exynos 2200 and Eclipse 920, this GPU. Very good results. 10 touches support display. Perfect results in Antutu benchmark. Okay, and PUBG Mobile works on the max graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. We have record 8K 24 FPS video or 4K 60 FPS video. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.